In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step, what suppliers are, the different types you'll find, how to spot fake ones, if you want fast shipping and good quality. So stick with me until the end because I'll also share a 5-step checklist I personally use to vet any supplier, plus the biggest mistakes beginners make that can destroy your store before you even make your first sale. So, what is a dropshipping supplier? In the simplest term, a dropshipping supplier is a person or company that keeps inventory and ship products directly to your customer. Your role is to run the storefront, create ads, bring in the customers, and handle customer service. The role of a dropshipping supplier, they run and manage the warehouse, the packaging, and also they act as the delivery guy. Think of it as a restaurant. You are the restaurant owner, creating the vibes and attracting customer and making sale. The farmer, the supplier, provides the ingredients. Without them, your restaurant is empty. Same with dropshipping. Without suppliers, you don't have product to sell, which takes us to the second section. Let's talk about the types of dropshipping suppliers you are going to encounter. So here are types of dropshipping suppliers. Now here is where things get interesting. Not all dropshipping suppliers are equal. There are 3 main types of dropshipping suppliers you need to know before you start your dropshipping business. Let me break it down. We have wholesale marketplace, which are public suppliers. Example of this is AliExpress, Alibaba, and the likes. Because they are very big, they have pros and cons. The pros of AliExpress is that it has a massive catalog and you need zero upfront cost for you to start dropshipping from AliExpress to Shopify. The cons, it has long shipping times ranging from 35 days depending with where you are shipping to. One of the biggest challenges is that the product quality is not consistent. AliExpress marketplace is best for testing products but not for long-term scaling. We also have private suppliers and fulfillment agents. Examples are CJ Dropshipping and private fulfillment agents in China. They have fastest shipping time, custom packaging, and dedicated support. But on the other hand, you need some sales history in order to build trust with them. Number 3 is the local niche suppliers. Example here are like Trendsy, which deals with fashion dropship. It has 3 to 7 days shipping time and better quality product control. But on the other hand, it has higher product cost. So if you're using AliExpress, it is important you note that many sellers on AliExpress are middlemen. They don't own the factories or the product they are selling on AliExpress. So why do suppliers matter more than anything for your dropshipping business to work? Here is a truth that most dropshipping gurus won't tell you. Your fancy Shopify theme won't matter if your supplier ships product 30 days later. Your viral TikTok ad won't matter if the product arrives broken. Your entire cash flow can freeze if PayPal or Stripe sees too many refunds and chargeback. And almost all of these issues come back to the suppliers. So I've seen beginners run great ads, make $5,000 sales in a week, and then lose it all because the suppliers ghosted them, shipped fake tracking codes, or delivered trash quality product. On the other hand, I've seen stores scaling from $50 to $5,000 a day just because they switched to a better supplier with faster shipping and branded package. The difference was night and day. So if you're looking for a reliable dropshipping supplier, here is my 5-step supplier vetting checklist. So run every supplier through this before you trust them with your business. Check their business registration and track record. Read their product reviews across multiple platforms. Ask for certifications. Order a sample product to see quality. Test their communication by asking questions and note their response. If they are slow or vague, run. If your supplier can't treat you well as a potential business partner, they'll never treat your customer well either. So if you're just starting dropshipping business, these are my suppliers hacks for beginners. Number 1, use Alibaba's RFQs to get multiple suppliers competing for your business. Always have at least 3 backup suppliers for your winning product. Negotiate after consistent sale. Ask for lower prices, faster shipping, or even custom packaging. Pro dropshippers eventually build exclusive suppliers relationship, which is why their products aren't easily copied. If you're planning to choose your dropshipping supplier, don't make these common mistakes beginners make. Choosing suppliers only because they are cheap, ignoring shipping time, selling products in your store before testing them, and relying only on one supplier. So now you know, a dropshipping supplier is the backbone of your business. They control your shipping, your product quality, your customer trust, and ultimately your profit. In the next video of this series, I'll show you actually how to find legit dropshipping suppliers in 2025. So if this video gave you clarity, do me a favor, like and comment what kind of supplier you want me to review next. And if you want me to personally help you design your Shopify store and link you to a reliable dropshipping supplier, I'm your guy. Reach out, link in the description below. See you in the next. Bye.